If you're an AI enthusiast, then you need to understand the difference between neural networks and deep learning. Let's start with neural networks. These are like mini brains for computers, made up of artificial neurons that process and transmit information. Think of it as a basic Lego structure input layer, a few hidden layers, and an output layer. Simple but powerful. Now deep learning takes it up a notch. Imagine stacking those Lego structures into a skyscraper. Deep learning uses neural networks with many hidden layers to tackle complex tasks like speech recognition and deepfake technology. More layers mean better pattern recognition. So, what's the real difference? Neural networks have fewer layers and handle simpler tasks, while deep learning stacks on more layers to solve complicated problems, needing tons of data. From spam detection to self-driving cars, both technologies are game changers. Neural networks keep it simple, but deep learning? That's where the magic happens. Got a favorite? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you next time.